In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete 10 web account. Now, the first thing you have to do is remove all the websites, because if you have any websites associated with your account, you won't be able to do this. Let me show you. So if I go to top left over here and click on my workspace, and then I go to account and manage, and I go to login info and security, here delete account will be kind of unavailable because it says I have to first remove all active websites. So to do this, go to websites and remove them. So for example, this one over here, remove website, and then you have to just retype remove in here and click on that. Of course, make sure you do your own backups or migrations or whatever you actually want to do with your websites, because if you don't, of course, you will lose them. And then when you've done that, and when you have no more websites over here, you can go back up here, click on manage, go to log info and security, and then here under delete your account, you can simply click delete account, and then here you have to confirm it with your password, and after you do that, you can just click on delete, and when you've done that, you'll be able to get your account deleted. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.